This is so fucking stupid.
It is.
Yeah, I'm pulling out.
But it's so good.
This is what happens when you stay up too late on Discord, bro.
Facts. Mine.
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 Fucking big man or whatever the fuck this is.
Theirs.
I think it was Aussie at the moment. I thought it was fucking Aussie. Yo, what's up, Seven?
Oh shit, it's Solomon.
Wait, is Totem here as well? No, no, Totem's not here.
Drug dude, can you hear me?
Funny fucking shit.
The one whose destiny is Ohio, can you hear me?
Why they all fucking Aussie, dude?
That is the windshield. God, this dude guy looks depressed. Oh God, where are you from, bro?
He had a panic attack in the other car.
We do not care.
Damn.
Trick you.
You tricked us, damn it.
Hey, I will give it. I will give this to you.
I've
not seen this before, and it's actually really fucking hilarious. Even it's slightly annoying. But I have to give you guys 2 thumbs up.
There's a guy trying to raise up 2 girls in call 7.
Oh my God.
We gotta go piss him off. We gotta go piss him off.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Mine.
Yo, where is the other fucking 2, bro?
A ton of people in there.
Yeah, Dory.
But listen.
We all, bruh, they forgot the joke how I'm supposed to go first.
I think I'm going retarded.
I think we're all done with the jokes, guys.
Mine?